Everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a stunning 1972 Chevrolet K5 CST Blazer. Gorgeous truck, guys. Rock solid Missouri truck. A couple thousand miles on a complete frame-off restoration. The truck was actually previously owned by Sean Ellington, aka Murder Nova, from Street Outlaws, and just an awesome truck, guys. 20-inch wheels all the way around. Love the color combination with the black and white. Truck sits good, runs and drives excellent. 350 in it with air blows cold, and just a killer truck, guys. Removable top. I've been trying to hunt one of these down for a while. It's hard to get these things. These things got hot, and they got hot quick. Cowl hood, beautiful paint, guys. It's as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Shadows are kind of creeping away from the building there, so unfortunately I had to get close to the road here to keep it in the sun. But beautiful truck, man. You can see a couple little scratches in the trim, but there's not a whole lot to really nitpick, guys. New bumpers. That grill's in excellent shape. It's got slick paint, guys. Love the little cowl hood. Yeah, this thing is just gorgeous. Glass is all new. It's got like a textured top. Yeah, this thing is pretty, guys. Nice and flat down the sides. Again, truck sits good. Got a great look to it, guys. Yeah, I love this truck. Pretty truck. Front disc brakes, got tubular front suspension on it. Took some pictures of that for you. Truck drives excellent. 350 engine, Edelbrock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory air works, 350 turbohydramatic trans. Detailed up to really turn the key and take it right to a show. The truck is gorgeous. Love those wheels. Those are pretty new from American Racing. I bought them and put them on a Roadrunner actually before. These came with them on. I'll tell you, man, we parked this thing out front. People just stop. They flock to this thing. You just don't see them. And this one's done right, guys. You can see all new glass, new chrome, new door handles, new door rubbers. New carpet. Bucket seats, console. It's got the sport wheel in it. Factory dash. 2761 on your odometer. It's got an AM/FM radio. Nice truck. Dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end, not a big gear, 323, something like that. Definitely something you can cruise. Little scratch there. Look how nice and clean that seam is, guys. Again, the top is removable. Shut that. Yeah, I can try to give you. Yeah, you gotta. Nope, you gotta. Yep. Nope. There you go. Yep. All the way in, pushed in. There you go. Should latch. Yep. And that turns down. Yep. Awesome. Killer truck. Got it up in the air. Got some pictures of the bottom. Bottom is gorgeous. It's got an aftermarket fuel cell in it. The truck is laser straight down the sides. It's got the aftermarket speakers in the kick panel. Try to get you a good shot of that rear seat. Seats are nice. They've definitely been all recovered and refoamed. Padded dash. Gauges are all real nice. Good truck, guys. Runs nice and smooth. Just flip the switch on and the air should kick on. Just the blower. Click the blower down. There you go. AC works. Good looking truck, man. Got a good look to it. Gauges look like they're functional, holding good oil pressure. No backup lights. See, it's a little cold, guys, some moisture. Good sound and small block. Radio works, blower motor works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook, our Instagram, or our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Actually, this car is being used in a TV show here in the next day or so. They just contacted me today, and it'll actually be on, I think it's a Food Network they're going to use it on. Well, that's a pretty truck, man. Sits good. I love the wheels on there.